I hear the house go quiet, but my mind won't sleep. Everybody needs a hand, but who's holding me? I smile when they ask if I'm okay, say I'm fine. Then I hide all the pressure where they'll never find. I was young when I learned that love comes with a cost. Dreams in my pocket, but the rain got lost. Mama needed strength, my people needed peace, so I bury my own pain just to give them relief. I'm trying to become the person they believe I am, but every failed attempt feels like another slam door. I carry every expectation underneath my skin, and I'm scared that if I stop, everybody falls again. I can't say the whole family can't fix what time has damaged. I'm giving everything I have, still feel like I'm empty-handed. If I break, will they understand? I was only trying to stand. I love them, but I'm losing me. Somebody tell me who I am. I don't blame them for their struggles, but I feel them in my chest. Every argument becomes another weight upon my breath. They say be strong like strength means never showing fear, but I've been fighting silent battles for too many years. I wanted to provide, wanted to change our name, but success takes time and failure looks the same. Still I wake up every morning with a reason to move, even when my own reflection asks me what I'm trying to prove. I'm frustrated, activated, calculating every move, trying to turn the pain into something I can use. No more pretending I'm invincible or fine. I build a better future without destroying mine. I may not have the money, may not have the plan, but I'm more than what I failed to become as a man. If I can carry everyone, I carry what I can, and learn that asking for help doesn't mean I never stand. I can't fulfill every need, but I can still be here. I can love my family without disappearing. Maybe healing starts when I finally understand I'm not a failure, I'm a person doing the best I can.